Hello students, welcome to this day of workshop on creating virtual learning environment. Today we shall discuss a very interesting topic as far as teachers are concerned, that is how to make animated videos. For teachers it is very interesting. Why? Because when you deliver lessons online, many times they tend to get boring, and in case we want to make it more interesting for our students, then we can use this. Your Google browser, you'll type renderforest.com, and this is the home page of the Render Forest website. This is both free as well as paid website. You have a limited time period for which you can make your videos for free. In case you want them for an extended time period, then we have to take a paid subscription, right? So we need to sign in. You can sign in by your Google account. We will sign in with our Google account or your Facebook account also, or you can create your special account on renderforest.com. So we'll be using our Gmail account to continue to Render Forest, and now this is how we can use and make videos. Actually, animated videos are always helpful because this makes your lesson very interesting. So you can include such kind of videos either for your introduction purpose or during for giving some special kind of a message. We can use these videos for such purposes, right? So there are a number of video templates that are available as per our need. So we have 3D explainer, you have different kind of you can explore all of these one by one whenever you get time. So like in case you want to have a logo reveal, then they have some kind of animations here. There are different kind of templates that are already available. These all templates have a few slides that can be used to create animated videos. For teachers, basically let's go for whiteboard animation toolkit. This is very helpful for you as a teacher. So we'll be making our videos here. Let's go to create now. Now what this will do is this. So here students, you have different kinds of options that are available. We can create our own video also, or by adding scenes whatsoever you like, or there are already some presets means already कुछ recorded videos हैं जो इतने uploaded है. You can use those videos to create your stories. These are ready-made stories that are available, or we can type our own script, and then according to your script the best video that matches Render Forest can suggest you, right? So today for this lesson we'll go with our we'll learn how to create our own video. Click on add scenes. The processing here takes a bit of time, so we need to be patient for the same. Click on create. So now the various scenes that are available in Render Forest, they will be loaded. Once the processing is over, we'll have different options with us. There are different characters which are available. You can choose a male character or female character. So if you look at the left side of the window, you'll see they have casual male character, corporate male character. So if we choose corporate male character, the dressings of the person will change, right? And even some new characters will be added. Then you have a female character also, a corporate female character also, then some group animation. So accordingly you have different options that are available. So whatsoever थोड़ी जो requirement है, जिस तरह का तुसी video बनाना चाहते हो, उस तरह का तुसी जेड़ा इत्थों character that we can choose. So we'll go with a casual male character. Now see, when you go for a casual male character, you see different kinds of options here. Happy man, a waving man, or we see a sad man with an icon. So you have different options available. Let's take a waving man, right? So if we choose this character, then you have a option of insert on your bottom right side of the window. You'll click here, the character gets inserted. We can change this text accordingly. Whatsoever you want, you can type hello students, right? And then we save and close, right? So you have an option of even changing the font. You have an option of changing the font style, the position of the text, where it should appear, that we can change whether you want it to be on the right side or on the left side. So this we can do, right? Then we will add another, all the changes get saved, right? Then we add another scene here. So let's take another scene of let's take change some kind of animations here. Let's see if we have some animations related to some buildings or institutes, right? So like okay, we have geographical places. Let's see what we get here. So suppose you get different kind of geographical places here. Okay, let's see. Well, I will change this. Well, let's go for some another. Let's go for office and education. Let's see what we get. Now suppose now these are the options which are available to you with respect to your let's choose this classroom board with a text holder. Again you will click on insert. The scene will get inserted. Then we'll write a text, welcome to the workshop at Department of Education, right? Shri Guru Granth Sahib World University, Fatehgarh Sahib. Now this will get added here. The text will be added, right? Okay, we say fine. The text that gets added, this will be written on the board, right? Okay, there were some spelling mistakes. We'll correct those spellings, and then another scene we will add. You can see a preview also of what you see. Probably they say you, okay, we add a list number of text here, right? And the text gets saved. Fine. Okay, then we add another scene here, and then again insert this. The total length should not for the free suppose the whatsoever, when we're using a free software or free option here, you have a limited time option. That's why we're left with 8 seconds more. After that no text will be added. So if I write here a virtual on creating virtual learning environment, right? This will be saved. Now let's go to the last kind of an app option. Okay, let's again go for a casual female character. We'll see. Something which suits to your video. So we don't find any character that suits to our video. Let's see for a male character. There was one with a loudspeaker. We'll use that. Let's find out. I suppose we have left it somewhere here, right? Again insert the character, and then we say happy learning and training, right? So this is done. So we are done with it. Let's see, before you can see the preview of your video. Before that, we can do a few changes here also. Let's see what all changes we can do. You want to change the overall look of your animation. You have two options with you. Either we can see the animation in the form of a whiteboard or as a cut paper. So whatsoever you want to choose, you can choose. We'll choose this whiteboard. Then the color combinations also you can change. Suppose these are the 4 scenes that we have added where the main color is blue here, but in case you want to change the colors, go to the custom color. Then there are few scenes where color changing is not allowed. Let's see preview of color on all scenes. Okay, sorry. we'll first, let's change the main color. Click on main color. So these are the color, you will get a color option here. Let's do it a bit yellow, and then see, click on confirm, and let's see how our preview, they'll give you a preview of how your color will look like. Okay, so this becomes yellow. If we hope, if you don't like this, because probably your text here is not visible on this, we can again change it. Let's change it to this, and again let's have a preview. Right, so hopefully this looks okay. Then you have another option of adding the music behind it. So they have, again, you can add a voiceover, your own voice, you can speak up. Then you can upload the music from your own PC or your mobile phone, and then but then they do have a few music library also available, where already some preloaded music options are available. Let's take these are recommendations they have given. We'll click on infinite achievements. That you can listen to a preview. Suppose this is inspiring storytelling. Right, so similarly you have different views here. Suppose let's listen how glowing stars. So these are very loud musics all. Okay, let's see how this looks like. Okay, this is fine. You click on add. This will be added to your project, right? And now let's have a preview of how your project looks like. Now the processing may take a bit of time. We'll go for the free preview. The free preview will have watermarks on your video, the Render Forest watermark. If you you purchase this software, then the watermark will not appear, right? So many times at organizational levels, the project, the software can be purchased, so that we create the animations either with our own logos or ones without logos, right? So the video is being exported. Let's wait and see. This is something worth wait, and you'll probably enjoy it. And as a teacher, this is very helpful, because this helps us to create a number of animation videos, especially for small kids. This is very helpful, and even for advertisement purposes or launching of a new project, or especially when you've gone virtual, these kind of animated lessons will definitely help you to deliver better in your classes. So our rendering is finished and the audio is being applied, right? And as such, you need not even wait for this to complete, because they may notify you after an email once your project is complete, right? So you can even close it, and you'll be notified in your email that the project is complete. So let's preview it. This is how our project looks like. So this depends on your creativity and how much you explore the website. So the more you explore, you'll get better options also. Okay, so you have after once you have seen, in case you like it, then it's fine. We can, in case you want to change something or do further editing, you can go to back to editing. We have options of downloading the same. We can download it, right? Or you have option of publishing it on YouTube, right? Or you can share it. So there are three options that are available to you. If we click on download, the video will be downloaded in your at your PC, as it is being happening now. But when you say share, you have option of sharing it on Facebook, Twitter, or in linked accounts of yours, or you can publish it on YouTube, and so this can be done directly, right? So this is how we can create animated videos in our lesson, and definitely this will add more creativity and make your lesson more interesting. Thank you, and happy animation.